Thutha wa gũikio ngono muthenya wa ira, muteteri wa muingi Morara KEBASO ni akinyirio mbere ya mucirithania Lucas Onyina igoti-ini ria Milimani na thitango ya kwandika ndumiriri ya guthukiria mundu ritwa nenda-ini. Ari mbere ya mucirithania Onyina kuhitukira mawakiri yake matongoretio ni Martha Karua, Morara ni areganire na thitango ino, mawakiri yake makiuga Morara athitangiirwo mahitia maria matarimo, kuria merire mucirithania Onyina no nginyagia President William Ruto akorwo niwe uthitangite Morara kuona niwe ugwetetwo hari thitango ya Morara.
Is that the charge be dismissed or rejected as defective under 89(5) of the CPC.
Yes.
Morara ni arekereirio na besha farifari shiringi 50,000.
The accused person is granted cash bail of Kenya shillings 50,000 with one contract person to appear before the court on 4th of October this year.
They don't have anything on him, so he got arrested because anasema ukweli.
Thutha ucio uria wari gavana wa KIAMBU FERDINARD Waititu ni acokire gukinyio mbere ya mucirithania o uyu igoti-ini ria Milimani na thitango ya kurekereria miario ya gucugira ngui muthenya wa Kiumia ari igongona-ini ria muingi mwena wa Ruiru, kuria acokire kurekererio na besha farifari shiringi 50,000.
I am convinced that the nature of the charge is not one that can motivate the accused person to fail to turn up for plea taking. The accused person is therefore granted personal bond without surety of Kenya shillings 50,000 to appear before court on 4th of October.
Itua ria thitango cia area ya rikarekererio gatano ga kiumia giki tariki 4 ria kana ni magatuirwo kurumirira thitango ici. Mawakiri a area ya ni makumithitie guikio ngono kwa area ya makiuga maya ni makinya ma kuguoyohia a Kenya na kumaiya maitho hari maundu maria marathie na mbere guku bururi-ini.
Our health, our rights to quality health is being destroyed today. They distract us in court while they are doing wrong things. We can only vow that we will continue fighting. We cannot surrender our republic to cartels.
If we allow Ruto and his government to take away this from Kenyans, then we would have killed our democracy. This is the cornerstone of our democracy.
In 2010, he voted against this constitution. But we want to remind him that this constitution binds each and every one of us.
Thutha wa maya kirindi kia rumiriri a Morara kiria gikuhurite kambeja wa igoti riri ni kimwamukirire na nduhiu nene, na riria mabangire gwikinya muciĩ-ini munene wa Nairobi gukunguira kurekererio kwa Morara ni kugeire na nditimurano, maabitha borithi makihuthira riera ria kuruta maithori kumaharagania matigekinye tauni thiini. Ni macokire mekinya mwena wa Archives tauni-ini ya Nairobi kuria mekurumirirwo ni kirindi kinene, undu uria ucungireirie amwe a ahuri biacara gwitigira na mahinga biacara ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.